Hey guys, this is Eric from Bloom's Auto Mart. It's been a little while since I made a video, but I want to show you today how to dye your seats. If you have car seats, specifically, it actually can be cloth or leather, but if you have seats that are stained, or in this case I have some Jeeps that I just got in that are kind of sweat stained or from having, being wet, I can show you how to fix that pretty cheap. I just went to Advanced Auto Parts and picked up some black flat fabric dye. They're about $9 a can. You can fix a seat in just a few minutes. So let me show you what we're dealing with here. So here's a Jeep that I just got in. You can see they have these like stains from being in the ocean. These were rental vehicles. And the back seats aren't too bad. It's usually the front seats. There's a little stain over there. This one, the front seat's pretty bad. But I'll show you here. It's just this can. Duplicolor, vinyl and fabric. I got flat for this. I'm gonna try gloss on another one, but let's see how it turns out. All right, so thankfully in this car, everything is black, so you don't have to be too cautious about getting overspray. But I just put kind of like a thin coat on first over the really bad spots. Then I'll go back over the whole thing to make it match here in a few minutes. Let this dry, try not to get that red seatbelt snap. I just put it on the worst parts first. The back's a little bit worn. But you'll see it to start to go away. Just do the upper part so it matches as well. Let's see, get all the way. But should turn out pretty well. Still see a couple little spots here. Touch them up. And you'll see it'll look like new.